Calendar events such as banquets, socials, or informational meetings that members can sign up to attend, work, or bring items for can be added to your team calendar in addition to your swim meets. Calendar events are managed from the Schedule tab in the Manage Team console. After logging into your website and selecting Manage Team to navigate to the Team Admin panel, click on the Schedule tab to take you to your main team schedule. To create a new non-meet calendar event, click the Add Calendar Event button. Enter in any specific details in each of the fields, and once you are finished entering in your information, hit the Save button to create the event. Now you can navigate to the RSVP and then Settings to choose additional options. If you would like to enable entry of comments with RSVPs, request individual RSVPs for each family member, or allow parents and athletes to bring additional guests, you can do that here. There are separate options for head counts, and you can save your changes. Calendar events can have jobs scheduled by time of day or item donation requests. These are found under the Jobs tab. Please see our separate how-to video on setting up jobs and item donations for calendar events. You can find the link in the description below this video. If you have a flyer or additional information about the event, you can attach it using the Files tab, and parents can view this link from the team calendar. Once you have created your calendar event, you can choose when members are allowed to RSVP for the event. The Status tab will show the current status of the RSVP and job sign-up settings for events. These settings work the same as our meet events. You can choose to manually open and close RSVPs and sign-ups, or you can automate it by setting a time and date and then checking the automatically open or close box. Once you are finished, be sure to save your changes. Now let's take a look at what the parents see. When parents go to sign up for your events, once they view your team calendar, they will see the options to RSVP and sign up for jobs. When they RSVP, they will be given options based off of what you have set in your RSVP settings. In this first example, the parent is asked to say if they are attending or not, and then to indicate the number of additional guests and allow for a comment. This matches our settings here of enable entry comments for RSVPs and allow parents and athletes to bring additional guests. However, note that it is not asking for individual RSVPs for each family member. Once the parent has entered their information for their RSVP and saved it, they can always edit their responses by clicking on the event again and selecting Edit RSVP to make changes or updates. From an admin standpoint, let's take a look at how that looks. If we go to replies, we can now see that Katie Long is signed up. 1 adult, 3 children, 5 attending. She's going to be 30 minutes late. Let's take a look at Team Spirit Spaghetti Supper 2. In this case, the parent is being asked to RSVP for each individual in their family. Again, we can see this in settings by request individual RSVP for each family member. Here, they have just been asked if they are bringing a guest. Again, once the parent chooses if they are attending and saves, they can always go back and edit their RSVP. Let's have this parent also sign up for a job. She's going to sign up to bring 2 cases of water and be part of the setup crew. This parent can now see what they've signed up for. And if they want to edit that, if they select sign up for jobs, they can change and again save their assignments When they navigate to their account, they can now see all of their jobs they have signed up for, including their calendar events. When we look at this from the admin side, we can see the parent is coming, who else is coming, they're bringing an additional guest. And if we check the jobs, we can see that she has signed up for a case of water and to be part of the setup crew. Similar to the meet events, we also can run the same volunteer reports. We can download this information as a spreadsheet if your team needs to manipulate it elsewhere. And the last thing we want to look at on our calendar is we did add the spaghetti dinner flyer here, which will show up as a link, and parents can click on that to view it, download it, or print it if necessary. For more information on creating calendar events and the jobs associated with them, please visit our Help Center at help.swimtopia.com. The link can be found in the description below this video.